In 1932, Australia found itself at odds with an unusual enemy, emus. The Great Emu War, as it came to be known, was a bizarre conflict between humans and the flightless birds. Farmers in Western Australia were struggling with emus invading their crops, so the government decided to intervene. They sent soldiers armed with machine guns to combat the feathery foes. Despite their best efforts, the emus proved to be formidable opponents. The birds were fast, agile, and surprisingly resilient to gunfire. After several failed attempts, the government admitted defeat. The emus had won. The Great Emu War remains a quirky chapter in history, reminding us that sometimes nature has the upper hand.